Hello people, nice autumn, and I decided today to check acceleration of my car, Porsche Boxster S, quarter mile and 0 to 100 and also 100 to 200. And the most interesting thing I have here is a Racechip. A lot of people dislikes it, but I decided to install because one friend of mine has a PDK car which goes about 7.5, 100 to 200, and it is really fast. I don't want to rim up. I already tested that Racechip, but it was too hot, so today we have 12 degrees Celsius, so I think it will be quite good. And I just want to show you difference between stock program and the Racechip. As you know, my car is manual. It will be not so fast like a PDK car. I will go with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Pressure will be 2 bars. I will go to the closed road and test the acceleration now, and will show you the difference. I think it will be interesting for all of us. Okay, and now I am choosing map 0, you see, and let's go. And here I have the draggy device, so timing will be very exact. And why I am not going to rim up? Because I have a very good experience with the JB4 on Volkswagen cars. And just a lot of people tells me that you need to rim up Porsche with a Racechip is shit, but I have a good experience also. As I know, the JB4 works bad on Porsche cars. Because of that I decided to go to Racechip, and now I will show you the result. It is 2.5S engine with 257 kilowatts or 350 horsepower stock, and I will go now with the stock power. Turned on the drag device, looking for satellites, and first of all I will check stock map acceleration from 100 to 200. Once again, pressure 2.1, going to sport mode. The traction control will be partly disabled, and manual gearbox. 100, 200, third gear and fourth gear.
100.
It was stock 100 to 200. And now stock acceleration 0 to 100 and a quarter mile.
60. 100. 400 meters.
Not the best start, but let's check the figures. Changing my map to the most powerful map 7. (100 to 200) map 7.
100. 200.
It was a map 7, third and fourth gear. Hello man, once again. It is the next day evening, and I already made some screenshots where we can check the difference between the stock acceleration and Racechip. Unfortunately, it wasn't the best time I've done. The best time 100 to 200 was 8.56 seconds, a little bit uphill. It was in summer. I don't know why yesterday it was slower, but that video is not about that. We just need to compare the accelerations. So I'm showing you now the first acceleration. On the left side you can see the performance report of the car with the Racechip Map 7. Acceleration to 100 is 4.28 seconds and the stock acceleration is 4.75. It's not the best, but I think you can go really half a second faster up to 100 with the Racechip Map 7. I forgot to mention that my car is decatted, so there is no catalytic converter. Car has no launch control because of the manual gearbox. Car has no torque vectoring and has no adaptive suspension. It was a cold tarmac, so I think it is possible to go faster. But okay, the next comparison is a quarter mile. 12.13 seconds was with a Racechip Map 7 and 12.67 stock. Manufacturer tells us that that car must go 12.6 or 12.8, I think, with the manual gearbox. And what is more interesting is acceleration from 100 to 200. I tested several times at the same place and corrected time was 10.79 with a stock program and 8.87 corrected also with the Map 7. It is Racechip GTS Black, the most expensive version. I paid about 500 or 550 euros, and I think, yes, we have a lot of haters about the chip boxes, but if you're going under warranty, it is the only and best option you can get now for a reasonable price. So my recommendation, do not be afraid, go to the Racechip, and it is really a good decision to have your car under warranty and to have a car which is much more faster than stock, safe stock. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.